here, and today I just logged into Animal Jam because, Discord stuff. Uh, and there's new updates. Why did I say that so silent? Okay, Master Box Den items forever. Time to unleash your creativity, jammers. The membership is no longer required to create a Master Block Den item. So hop into Master Blocks and ooh, that's cool because for non-members you can't make Master Blocks, but I'm a member, so it's not. Okay, I'm curious about this. What is this? Golden Retriever. Golden Retriever. Get those tails wagging and those noses cold. Beloved Golden Retrievers have arrived in their mall. So perfect in your pet shame. Gallant Golden Retriever bundle. It comes with a Golden Retriever, the Vertanian outfit, and the exclusive Happy Puppy outfit. To be honest, I like Golden Retriever puppies. No, I like dogs. I like dogs. Yeah, I kind of like both, but counts. No, I like the dogs. They're cute. What is this? I don't know. Balloon. Balloon. What is that? Ballroom. Nighttime. Chocolate strawberries. What? Where is this located? In the party section? Anyways, Greeley's my shop. Interesting. And Ladybug Roundup. Yes. Even though it's not nighttime. 10. Ooh! Also, my brother is like in a Zoom call with his friend. What giant? Ooh, this is actually that's cool. That's cool. Is this a den? Yeah, that has to be a den item. What else could it be? Yeah, I've been saving up. Rain, go. Okay. Okay, let's see these. Oh, I can't move. What are those? The Golden Retrievers? Hold on. I'm gonna buy the bundle since the last time I didn't get the bundle. And okay, Caring Golden Retriever bunny. No bundle. Come on, Golden Retriever. Veterinary. I meant veterinarian outfit. Happy puppy outfit. It's not loading. How about if I no. How about if I get out of the Sapphire shop and get back in? It's like they keep releasing cat and different breeds of cats and dogs. First they released the Golden Retriever and Himalayan cat, and then they decided with a French bulldog. And then what is happening? Okay. Ooh, whoa. These are okay. That doesn't load. Veterinarian. That actually kind of looks cute. Ooh, the tail, I like it. Alright, let's just buy it. Happy puppy tail. Happy puppy paws. Happy puppy fur. Happy puppy tongue. I'm saying happy puppy a lot, and it's like getting my tongue twisted. Happy puppy head. I mean, you don't need a tongue to say happy puppy. I mean, you have a tongue to talk with. I don't know what I'm talking about. Veterinarian tail. Veterinarian booties. What? Booties? What? The veterinarian apron. What? Why did I pronounce it like that? Apron. No! I can't pronounce things today. Apparently, even though I know what that is. Veterinarian seven. My tongue is not functioning today. Whatever. Veterinarian hat. Oh, I was gonna. Okay, and the golden retriever. Oh, I can't. Okay. Let's see this. Whoa, these are very tiny, and it's kind of laggy. Caring golden retriever. So let's try out this happy puppy thing. There's bones. It kind of looks like a werewolf, to be honest. Veterinarian things now. That's cute. Has below pluses. Okay. Let's make it at least a look at this. Let's use this. I kind of like this. Okay. Oh, let me see the boots. Okay, let's try to make an outfit without these items and see if I can make some. Yeah. The flower crowns are pretty small on it. I like that. And skirt. And how does this? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. See how they look. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like this. I like this. Okay. Why are the eyelashes white again? It's the same thing with the Maine Coon cat. Okay. Let's see if I can add some shoes at least. And try it. None. No. None of these, no. None of these look cool, so I'm not gonna wear it. Now, running is pretty similar, and that as well. I'm not gonna look at, I already looked. Dance is basically the same thing. Play. Ooh, oh, that's cute. It chases its tail. It's kind of like Animal Jam Classic, where the coyote chases its tail, and then does a little flip at the night. No. It kind of does a flip at the end. But no, we're not playing that. Cute. The sit is very polite. The sleeping is pretty much them laying down, but it's cute. Anyways, let's wait, do they have a new den here on the side? Retrievers Rescue Center. Sorry, this is taking long. Ooh, it's like a veterinarian. I mean, golden retrievers are pretty helpful. What? Whoa. Wait, I just went down. Is that a possum thing? Yeah, painting. I only got one of them. I already got one. I only have that painting. I I keep searching for nocturnal animals and all I get is gems or sapphires. And I just want an item. Whoa, 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 what? There's a slide that goes in the water? Count me in. Okay, this is perfect for like doctoral plays. Overall, I like it. Wait, why did I say overall? I keep questioning myself. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this place is nice. This place is nice. Oh yeah. Greeley's Man's Shop. I'd love it if they added like a Sir Gilbert one. Definitely put that up my shop. Yep. Time. Crap. So far we have 0. Oh my, low scores. I can go on the leaderboard. But first, let's just get, ooh, whoa, 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 that's cool. Okay, have I gotten all the updates? Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, that's for the night, so we can't do a video on that because it's daytime. And I'll do that later. So see you later. Gotta go eat.